everyone, how's everyone doing today? My name is Gina and I'm doing great. So who's ready for page 4? 4, 4, 4, 4, 4? I'm ready, so ready. Again, I'm using my template that I created specifically in an SVG file for cutting machines, specifically for the scan and cut, because that's what I have. So that will be on my Etsy store. Also, I'm using my own paper packs. I created all the paper that I'm using, and that will be on my Etsy store as well. So yeah. All right. So let's just get to building this here page. So on the A side of page 4, we're going to need, of course, we need our base pocket page, 6 and 7 put together, right? And then we need pocket E. And we're going to need pocket D, belly band D. We need one of those and one of belly band B. So we need those two guys. And that's all we're going to need on this page right here. Now I wanted to show, I've already scored, but because when you cut out with your scan and cut, this is how it's going to end up looking. So in order to make the pockets, just as a reminder, you're going to need to cut off whatever tab. Now I actually had thought, and I just may do it, to have this pocket go this way, right? So here it is on the page. Have it actually be open where it's a slide in this way. So I think I may do that. Will it confuse people? I don't know. But I'm going to do it that way. Only because I just want to be different. I want to be different today, and I want to do that. So I'm cutting off that little tab because I don't need it. You can go away. Bye-bye. Love you. Bye-bye. 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 Okay. So now I can go ahead and put tape on this. So let me do that, and I will be back when I get the tape on here. Now let's create this here pocket. Well, no, let's not do that first, because we've got the belly band, and the belly band is going to go over like this. Now I made these belly bands, I designed them like how I did with my tag along, where one is longer than the other, so it kind of like goes over like that, right? So that's the way that I want it to go. So I need to put, yeah, I can go ahead and put the pocket on, because I need to put the magnet on the belly bands themselves, not on to the base page. So let's just go ahead. I've already inked everything. I'm using Tim Holtz Distressed Ink Black Soot is what I'm using. Yeah. I've not used vellum, and I don't think I will use vellum, because, you know, this is for school, for kids, or whatever, and and the only thing that bums me out a little bit about doing the templates on the SVG is that you don't have the backgrounds. You know what I'm saying? As far as like if I wanted to put it on vellum and have a background onto the vellum instead of just being vellum. And you know, I don't even know if my scan and cut can even cut vellum. I don't know why it wouldn't be able to cut vellum. Just, you know, vellum's very, very delicate. So I don't know. I'm going to have to try it and just see what happens. I know I'll probably have to put the number down. I have it on like a 4 right now, because this is pretty thick paper. It's a 65 pound, I think. Yeah, so I don't know. Alright, so we're going to just line this up the best that we can. And there we go. I will say, by using the scan and cut, you line up a lot easier, I find. Oh my gosh, that's going to be cute, y'all. I really am gonna like that being there. I know it's a little bit different. Oh look, you can tell where I'm off a little bit by the polka dots. I was down a little bit too much. Uh-oh, wrong thing. Oh well, it's just gonna have to stay. It's gonna be fine. Right now we're gonna put this little guy on there. I love that paper. Oh, so much fun. I really do enjoy making papers and the ephemeras and stuff. So I really do like that. I have an idea, even though I'm not going to make any more templates for this year. This will be the template that I use for the rest of the year on my albums that I'm going to be making. Gina, Bobina, you did need to put these on first, you goof. See, I'm sitting here talking with y'all, having a conversation, and I totally goofed that up. Oh, yeah. I do that all the time. Let me see. Hopefully, because I just put this down, I can get it off. Usually when I'm just doing this off camera and I'm not talking to anyone, just listening to music, I don't make these boo-boos. But, you know, I was chit-chatting with you. You got me a little sidetracked. Alright, let's go ahead and put these belly bands on. So, don't do that. Put the belly bands on first. I bet y'all were screaming at me. But you were saying, Gina, put the belly band on first. And I didn't hear you. Alright, I'm going to center it the best that I can. Right? Just eyeballing it. Alright, now let's put a magnet on. Before I forget to do that. Don't want to forget to do that. Yeah. See, and then you don't have to worry because your little pocket is right there. Oh my god, it's so cute! Okay. So, it's going to go in the book like this. So, flip. Alright, now on this side, we're going to need our base page. And yes, I know, it is cut incorrectly, which makes me very sad. And we're gonna need, let's see, what am I on? We're gonna need our Pocket D Fancy from page 12, and we're gonna make it go on this side. We need page 10 Pocket A. We're going to create a flip with it. And you know what? Since we went up the last time, let's make it go this way. So I'm going to cut off this tab, and we're going to go this way with it. And then I've got my mats. And then we need 2 of the belly band C's. Now these are designed that they're going to have a space in between them. They don't go together. There is supposed to be a gap. That's how I designed them. So, because I love that look, I liked it with the tag along, so I just kept it into this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and score, and remember, this is what it looks like when it comes out. So we just need to go 1/2 inch. perfectly fine. And then remember, our pocket goes like that. Alright, y'all. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you got inspired. So, alright, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe if you've not already subscribed. And if you have, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. But don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified for every time that I post a video. Alright, y'all be good to one another. Bye.